JewelCast, a leading jewellery manufacturing specialist founded in 2001, uses SOTpay, SecuraLink, and Securafone to create a more controlled, secure, and streamlined payment process. This system helps reduce delayed deposits and balance payments and increases efficiency. JewelCast faced challenges with delayed settlements, manual chasing, remote payment friction, and cash flow visibility. They needed a faster, easier, and more reliable way to collect payments. SOTpay acts as the central control point for all jewellery order collections. SecuraLink and Securafone provide secure payment options via email, SMS, or chat, and telephone payments, respectively. This ensures one control point and real-time visibility. The new payment journey involves ordering or invoicing, launching a request from SOTpay, choosing a payment method, and instant payment confirmation. This provides more ways to pay and faster routes to collect. The business impact is clear. Faster payment requests, less administrative chasing, a better customer experience, greater visibility, and stronger compliance controls. All managed from one SOTpay command center with 2 secure payment routes and multi-channel payment capability, giving teams greater control over how payments are requested, tracked, and completed.